Stop scrolling. Google just unleashed Gemini 3 Flash, the fastest AI model on Earth, crushing coding benchmarks at 78% while handling 1 million tokens, images, video, and audio. Want to harness this beast in minutes? You're in the right place. Let's build it live right now. Welcome to NeuroWire Signal, your frontier AI source. Yesterday, December 17, 2025, Google dropped Gemini 3 Flash, 3 times faster frontier intelligence with adaptive reasoning, full multimodal power, free worldwide API access. Today on NeuroWire Signal, we master setup to deployment in 5 pro points. Smash like if you're building AI, subscribe for weekly deep dives. Let's code live. Instant setup. To begin, the setup process takes about 60 seconds and there is no friction involved. To get started, use your package manager to install the official library. This is a single command that is completely silent and handles everything fast. To generate a free API key in a matter of seconds, you can go to the Google AI Studio website, sign in with your Google account, and generate the key without the need for a credit card. For the sake of security, you should make a copy of that key and then put it as an environment variable in your shell profile. Complete the initialization of the client by importing the library and supplying your key in a single line. Test it by displaying the models that are available, and there you have it. A preview version of Gemini 3 Flash is provided on the website. Across all platforms, including Mac, Windows, Linux, and even cloud laptops, this works faultlessly. There are 15 queries per minute that may be made globally through the free tier, which scales effortlessly to enterprise choices. Expert advice: save the key in a secure location and verify access immediately. Once the setup is finished, you will be able to begin coding in less than a minute. There is no need to worry about virtual environments or dependencies when developing rapid prototypes. Text generation and chat history. Second, the basic text generation and persistent conversation history that are the driving forces behind real-world applications. After you have locked in the model identification as Gemini 3 Flash Preview, you may generate content by giving your prompt directly to the client. For example, you might try explaining quantum computing to a 12-year-old and then simulating a qubit without using any other libraries. Within 2 seconds, responses are delivered with output that is both clear and structured, including code when it is required. The process of creating a new chat session using the same model, sending a first message similar to the process of generating a web scraper, and then following up in a smooth manner is required for conversational applications. History automatically preserves context across turns. This feature is perfect for customer service bots or iterative code improvement because it allows you to get the entire chat history at any time and review roles and messages. The ability to feed entire codebases or documents is made possible by this, which manages 1 million input tokens. You may adjust the levels of creativity for more exact management, and built-in safety prevents bad content from being accessed. It is the ideal foundation for any text-based artificial intelligence project, as it surpasses competitors in terms of speed while maintaining the same level of intelligence. Multimodal magic. The third argument is that multimodal superpowers are able to smoothly handle audio, video, and photography. To handle visuals, add image processing libraries, and then write a function that can retrieve a picture from any URL, store it into memory, and match it with a descriptive query. For example, you could analyze a photo of a cat to determine its breed, appearance, and care advice. The program processes the image in conjunction with the text, offering comprehensive insights such as detecting a fluffy Persian and suggesting daily brushing practices in a matter of seconds. These capabilities extend to high-definition video clips for the purpose of scene analysis as well as audio files for the purpose of transcription and summary, which opens the door to the processing of podcasts and e-commerce product checks. Local files load directly by path, and shrinking them is optional for the purpose of achieving maximum speed. Use in the real world. Upload a snapshot of a shirt that is wrinkled and receive fast ideas on how to fix it. Because of its natural integration and the absence of the requirement for separate endpoints, Vision benchmarks position it ahead of competitors. With this versatility, basic scripts can be transformed into full media analysis systems, which can handle a wide variety of inputs without requiring a lot of complexity. Advanced features and error handling. The fourth reason is that sophisticated functionality such as streaming, token tracking, and strong error handling are essential for production readiness. Set up streaming so that responses can be displayed in real time as they are being generated. This will allow you to create user interfaces that are smooth for long outputs, such as entire web applications. Monitoring usage with built-in token counts is essential for maintaining cost control because it allows you to stay within the 1 million input limit. Exception handlers should be wrapped around calls in order to catch stalled prompts, refine and retry, or rate limits, and smart delays should be added. When applied to step-by-step activities such as math puzzles, adaptive reasoning excels because it reveals its thought process in a clear and transparent manner. Using JSON schemas, function calling allows for the integration of external technologies, which in turn enables API orchestration. To achieve scaling, it is recommended to transition to corporate systems that offer authentication and high throughput, capable of handling thousands of requests per minute. The costs are still relatively minimal on free tiers, while on subscription plans, they are approximately fractions of a cent per million tokens. In order to ensure that scripts are reliable in live environments, these features make them battle-tested. Add logging for troubleshooting and configuration files for flexibility. Full integration and deployment. The fifth criteria is that there should be complete integration and simple deployment methods for use in the actual world. Create a cohesive script that incorporates all of the pieces, including command line parameters for prompts, logging for audits, and configuration files for model settings. This script will handle 99% of use cases, ranging from prototypes to applications. Using web frameworks, you can construct interactive interfaces for chat UIs that accept image uploads. These interfaces can be deployed to cloud platforms in a matter of minutes and do not require any server management. In comparison to earlier models, benchmarks demonstrate a threefold increase in speed and a 78% success rate in coding. Future pipelines should be expanded to include advanced pipelines such as retrieval augmented generation or multi-agent systems. Contributions from the community can be shared through repositories, fork, customize, and ultimately deploy globally. You will be ahead of the curve in artificial intelligence development with this script because it handles text, visual, streaming, and mistakes out of the box. Gemini 3 Flash rewrites the rules for artificial intelligence development, bringing speed, intelligence, and simplicity. It is clear that you have 5 specific locations and complete implementation paths. Thanks for joining this deep dive into the future of hands-on AI. Build boldly, iterate fearlessly, and until next time.